Hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So I came with some of the important hiring from various company like the Capgemini, Zoom, Emphasis and other. So especially if you're the fresher, then you should apply for these important opportunity. And from the Emphasis, students are getting the reward. So if you want, you can apply. So first important opportunity, that is walk-in drive at Capgemini. So they are hiring and they are inviting the diversity applications for the locations of Kolkata, June 15th. So freshers female can apply. Okay, only this is a female specific drive. If you are from the BCom or BBA, then you can basically walk in on June 15, means tomorrow 10 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. Okay, so this is the important hiring. If you want, you can walk in there. Moving to next, that is from the Zoom. So Zoom is hiring for the role of software engineer, and this is also a full-time role. So talking about the roles and responsibilities, so you will be responsible for designing, developing, and maintaining front-end and back-end applications, responsive UI building, and write clean and maintainable testable code. So अगर आप freshers है or if you have done some important project in Node.js, Python, Java or other language, then you can apply for that. The mandatory database knowledge like PostgreSQL, MySQL or MongoDB is required for this wonderful opportunity. So if you want, you can apply for this. Moving to next, that is for the role of apprentice operations, and for this the job location is Bengaluru. So soft skills required like the blue sky thinking, problem solving, team player, presentation skills. So basic skills are there, especially if you're from the BCom, BA, BBA or BM background, then you can apply for this wonderful opportunity. And make sure to check out all the link in the description. Moving to next, that is from the KPMG. They are hiring for the role of business associate. So if you are the freshers or 1 to 2 year experience from the good college, then you can apply for this wonderful opportunity. Talking about the roles and responsibility, you will establish strong professional relationship and the other things are there. So check out the complete link in the description and you can apply for that. Moving to last important meaning, that is from the Synopsis career. They are hiring for the role of digital logic design apprentice role. So this is apprentice role, means kind of internship. If you want, you can apply for this. And BTech in electronics, electrical instrumentations or related field can apply only. Fresh graduates from the class of 2026 can apply, and you should not enroll any higher courses like the postgraduates or MTech program. And if you have some experience in EVM, RNV verification methodology, then you can apply for this. This is a 12-month apprentice program, and for this, the job location is Bengaluru, and the start date is June or July 2026. So apply as soon as possible. We regularly post lots of important job updates, especially from two important companies still hiring going on for 3-year program, like from the Cognizant and Accenture. So if you have missed that, then you can apply for those important opportunities that are good hiring. And कोई भी query, feel free to ask here. Related to Cognizant and other company hiring updates, we will make a dedicated video, so you need to wait some more time. Okay, as soon as any update will come, I'll provide in this video. Hope informative to you. मिलते हैं next important job updates में. Thank you.